C is a programming language that lets us give a computer very specific commands. C was invented in 1972. It's one of the oldest languages to be used even today. It is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It has influenced many popular languages, especially C++. But why do we still use such an old programming language? Why not something newer and easier to understand, like Python? Let's find out. C is a structure-based language, i.e. we can divide a big program into multiple parts, which makes it easy to write and understand. Programs written in C are efficient and fast. This is the most critical factor for using C over other languages. C is considered to be close to the computer, meaning we can program the computer to do precisely what we want. To understand what this means, here is an analogy. Imagine you want your brother to buy you a cake from the store. In Python, you would just use one line to say buy me a cake from the store. Your brother will go and come back in 5 hours because he went to a store very far to get the best cake available. In C, we can tell your brother, get in the car, drive to the store around the block, buy the first cake you see, and drive immediately back, which will happen in 20-odd minutes. Of course, it won't be the best cake. But it is much faster and is the exact cake that you wanted. Programs written in C can be run on different types of machines with little or no modifications.